Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you internal functionality of this DP switch. This is a 13 ampere double pole switch. Now what is a double pole? Double pole is something like it has two internal strips which are here and here, so they both goes off and on in parallel simultaneously, and that's what it makes the connection. So when we turn it on with this switch, so it has got internally, it has got two strips which are below the switch, and those connections are made, one here, another here, and the connection goes internally up to the load. Now if we see its outside structure casing, it has a 13 ampere fuse and a DP switch. On the back side, it has got three big holes. These are neutral, load, and line feed, and this one is for load. So this one is, we say it as neutral feed. So neutral feed means generally it will have couple of black wires which goes in, but if it is just a neutral load, that would mean it will just have a single black wire going out and connected to load. Same goes for here. If it is load, uh, L load, that would means it is going to a load and the wire is live. This one is L feed, that would mean a live wire with feed. Feed means it may have one or two wires connected. So in short, this appliance which is connected, that will have load, a red live wire going in here, and a neutral wire going out from here. So these are the two connections which are going out to the load. Now let's see how really it works, and when we press the switch, this it makes a click sound, and how internally does it operate when we are clicking the switch. So I'll quickly open this. We have three screws, 1, 2, and 3. This got misplaced, so I just removed it. Now let's open this and see how it works internally. I'll quickly open this just this way. This is switch number, screw number 2. We are going to keep it this way, so things will definitely fall apart, but we can obviously bring it together. Now this is the whole thing which it has internally. I'll zoom it so you can see it, and we will see how we are going to remove the items one by one, and then going to put the things in place. Okay, so I'll show you from the drawings how it really looks like. If you see this picture, now if we see it this way, that's how it looks like. Now the switch had three big holes. These are N line feed, so neutral, load, and load. And these are the two switches which it is there internally. I'll show you shortly. And these are again, I'll remove this one. This big hole, this one is this one, which is for neutral feed. And these two small points, these are this one and that one. So these are connected to earth. These are two earthing point, this one, and these are for just in case there is any short circuit for earthing. And this is 13 ampere DP switch. So let's understand how it works internally. Now this is how it looks like from inside, and this is its case, which carries a fuse. This fuse is connected through this metallic strip, and we are going to keep this small bit or here. Just remember this plate will come on top of this plastic casing that way. So it goes in here, and these load, neutral, and live one, this again, this metal casings that will sit down, this will be on the downside. Same goes for this one. This again will go, this metallic bit, this one will go on the downside. We can keep this way, whereas this one will remain on top. This will be on top, this will be on top. Just remember these two, they will go in the bottom of the casing. Now the question would be how the switch. So this is the portion where the switch will come, and these are the two metallic points that gets on when we are pressing the switch. So if you look at this switch helps to make the contacts here, and that would mean this is this one is a neutral, which makes a connection. This is a live wire, which makes a connection. When we press the switch, it contacts the point through the fuse. It terminates here into the load. So this goes into load. Let's see how to fix this one. So there is no strip here. Now where are the strips? These are the strips, this small bit. So how do we fit it? This metallic black one, the black piece, that will face downward. So I will make it here, and we can, these two endpoints, they will sit on this side. So remember this bit, this metallic point, if you see this one, this and this one, they has to come in contact to each other. So I'll put this that way. This is the way how it works. If I zoom it, so when we press the switch, then this is the bit which gets on and off. That is for live wire, and this is for neutral. And similarly for this one, we have another strip. If we put it here that way, so these two points, this one will be the one which are depicted in this picture. If you see this one, these are the switch strips which works below the plastic switch we have. And this one was the fuse, which is this one. So effectively the wire which is here connected here, the feed that makes the connection through this strip, what this switch we have, these two, and the circuit is completed from this side. This is a fuse going outside, this is a neutral, which again makes a connection, and due to these two strips, the switch is called as double pole. These are two double poles. Now we will put this switch in place. The switch has got this one and this plastic bit. these springs will face downward and go into the casing this way, that way. And we will keep this on top of it slowly, this, and you can see the internal functionality when we are pressing it down. Okay, so in case we are pressing it down, then it will press these small bits here, and so effectively when we are pressing the switch down, these two contacts, they make the connection, and this metallic base is already connected to the bottom one through this contact. Okay, so when we are pressing it down, we are making these connections like this, and the circuit gets completed, and that's why this red bit we can see outside. So we will place this here and slowly going to close this casing like this. That's the way. Now it's closed, and if you see, you can press it on and off and it makes a click sound. Just press it firmly and just keep these two screws back, which is one goes in here and another bit goes in here, which is this one. And the third screw that will go in here. I misplaced that one, so once I find it, I'll fix it here. So that was all, and just wanted to show you how it works internally in case this goes bad sometime. Then you can definitely fix if there is a strip problem, if it get any rust or any carbon, if it is not working. And sometime when you are removing this fuse, that fuse doesn't go back inside, and in that case you need to open the switch assembly from backside and put it in place. So that's pretty much all, and this was the diagram. Again, if you see this and compare, there will be three connections, 1 2 3, these three which are here. This one is neutral feed, these two are earthing points, E1 and E2. These are connected to main screws, which we tighten it like this on the wall. So that was pretty much all. Hope this helps you in case there is any requirement to open it and you want to understand how it works internally. Thank you very much.